There's a word nobody uses when they talk about their home. Not cozy, not functional, not organized. Desire. Every house you walked into and instantly known wasn't right. Every room that pulled at you, that was desire working quietly without your permission. The question isn't whether you desire your home, it's whether you've ever let yourself admit what you actually want from it. This isn't new. 40,000 years ago, before furniture, before architecture, humans were already decorating their caves, painting the walls, arranging the space, trying to turn shelter into something more. The impulse never went away. It became civilization. The Romans desired light, so they built atriums open to the sky. Medieval families gathered around the hearth, not for warmth, for the light, for the smell, and the feeling of being held. The Victorians created the parlor, a room with no practical function except the desire to live beautifully. Every era, every culture, every income level, the desire for a home that feels like something has never left us. We stop giving ourselves permission to take it seriously. 3 things every human being, all recorded history, not trends, not styles, not budgets. Warmth, not temperature warmth, the quality that makes a room feel like it's holding you, not only containing you. Beauty, not perfection beauty, the kind the Greeks and Japanese understood. Beauty that moves you, even if it's imperfection. Memory, the homes that stay with you always carry proof of a life. The worn edge of a favorite chair, the object nobody else would understand, yet you know exactly where it came from. Memory is not clutter. Memory is what separates a home from a showroom. Warmth, beauty, memory. You already know which one your home is already missing. Here's the uncomfortable part. Most people never ask the question. They ask what fits, what's practical, what will guests think. They never once ask, what do I actually want to feel when I walk through the door at the end of the day? The question requires you to know yourself well enough to have an answer. Most people find it easier to follow a trend than to do the work. This is why atmospheric homes are rare. Not because they're luxurious, not because they're complicated, because they require the homeowner to desire something specific and pursue it without apology. Atmosphere is desire made visible. Walk through your home right now, or simply picture it. Ask yourself 3 questions. Does this home feel warm? Not the temperature. When you sit alone on a Tuesday night, does the room feel like it's on your side or indifferent to you? Does this home hold beauty? Not magazine beauty, your beauty, the color that makes you feel something you can't name. Is any of that present, or did you settle for something here? Does this home remember you? Is there evidence that a specific person lives here, or could anyone move in tomorrow and feel equally at home? Which means nobody is truly at home here at all. If you answered no to any of those, That's not a decorating problem. That's a desire problem. And desire problems have desire solutions. You don't start with the renovation. You start with the decision that your home is worth desiring, that you are worth a space that knows you. Pick one room. Ask the 3 questions. Find what's missing: warmth, beauty, or memory, and address it. One thing this week: the homes that stopped me in my tracks were never the most expensive. They were the most desired. You could feel it, the intention in every corner. Someone asked the question and answered honestly. That's available to you right now. If this episode made you think about your home differently, good. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. Now I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, which of these 3 desires is your home missing right now? Is it warmth, beauty, or memory? I read every single line. If you want to go deeper, come find me on Reddit. The link is below. That's where the real conversations happen. And if you're done figuring it out alone, the link to book a time with me is down there too. If this episode stayed with you, share it with someone whose home deserves the same. I'll see you in the next one.